moving with you. Yes. So you'll be happy I told you on the map. You follow if you move in the wrong area, you won't be able to, but you are being deployed to Chiwanga, Rwanda. Enumeration goes to enumerate. Yes? So if so that you are sure that you are in the right place. Don't go beyond those lines. Yes, because you are in training. Now, for you, what you are going to do so that you are sure that you are in the right place. Yes, the total number of households you worked on, fully completed, and those you fully completed and those you partially completed. And the remaining answers? No. If you reach here and you see you are still in training mode, switch back. And also, to enumerate on the map. Are you seeing my map on the screen?
Yes.
You're not seeing it?
Yes.
You are seeing it. Check your copy. Check your copy. Because for you to be able to load the map, you require internet, the faster internet. And you see, before you sleep today, ensure that you all. Now, if you are fully loaded it, there will be red households which you are marked. And then it will show you that now you are standing next to this. Select the enumeration area and then you proceed. So they take you to the interviewer menu. You are all interviewers.
Yes.
So again,
we are calling upon everyone listening to us today, starting tonight, going up to the 19th of May 2024, to kindly give us the information that we need, because it is this information that will help us to plan properly for the municipality and the country at large, so that we deliver services to the right people and the right services. We are calling upon the cultural leaders, the religious leaders, and the local leaders, the politicians, to kindly mobilize the masses. We know that tomorrow the Muslims are having their prayers. The weekend we are going to have the different religious institutions and the cultural leaders doing prayers. It is a platform for us to mobilize our people so that they welcome the government project. They get to be counted, because it matters to be counted, and to support the team that is in the field that is starting tonight. We are glad security is with us. We are going to be protecting these people because they have government gadgets that need to be protected and their own lives to be protected. They are starting tonight from 0000 hours to count everyone that is in our country, to count everyone that is in our municipality. And if they come to you, they've not come to arrest you. They've come to count, to get information from you, accord them all the help they need, give them the information that they are asking for. But then that does not mean that we are going to engage in other crimes. Security is still here to deal with each and every insecurity in our area, and every crime in our area. So we call upon you, if you thought you're going to take advantage of the census night to do crime, we will be on ground. Patrols are going to be going on, both foot patrols and vehicle patrols. So coordinate with security, coordinate with the census team. Let us all be counted. Let us all help the country to plan better for our nation. Let us all help Emukono municipality to plan better for our municipality with giving them the accurate and right information.
Communications officer for Emukono Municipal Council as part of this census exercise. Yes, we believe there would be crises. Let's say somebody falling sick or getting an emergency along the way. We have put in place a backup strategy to see that we have reserves that can step in to mitigate against that gap. Then secondly, for the power we knew these are machines. They can break down, therefore we have reserves that can help us, support us in that entire period. We have power banks, and we feel we have also other extra tabs that can be able to support us in this area.
We have given everybody adequate training, but obviously the appreciation is not the same. The level of comprehension is not the same. There are people who may need extra help. We are prepared and ready to give that extra help where we have difficulties, where people's machines can even fail to function properly. So we have all the provisions to make sure that such people get help they need. So if somebody didn't get it correctly from the training, we have the staff to help them cope during the exercise. The exercise, remember, is for 10 days. It's not for 1 day. It is for 10 days. You have an ID, or whether you don't have an ID, we shall count you. There are so many people who don't have IDs, who have even clocked 18 years. They are there. So the counting is from year 0 to the last person. Even somebody who was born today is going to be counted. That one doesn't have an ID.
So we are really very ready to go. As you know, this exercise is national, and we have been even getting positive comments from our people from the headquarters, because they have gone to different areas and they have realized that Emukono is being very well. So they have been attending our training, we have been training enumerators and the parish supervisors, and it really has been commendable. So we are really ready. Some issues we have, for instance, there are some few tablets that had some few problems, but we have our IT officers around, the two IT officers both for municipality and the district. They have been really spending sleepless nights, and they have worked on, I think 90% of the tablets are not okay. Now today we have consulted MTN. There were some tablets that were missing SIM cards, or whose SIM cards were faulty. We have consulted MTN, and they are supposed to give us new cards, SIM cards. And so when we reach there, once that is solved, then we should be good to go for enumeration. Maybe some issue that probably is a challenge in a way. The younger people that have been training, up to now they haven't got their transport refund. But we have communicated them to be patient, continue with the work, and we hope that once their names are submitted to the headquarters, they should be able to get their transport refund and the other facilitation.
All the young people that will be involved in this exercise, not only the young people, but everybody on the team. Because when you come to us, we are going to tell you the facts about our lives, and please keep those facts to yourselves. Don't get them out to other people, because if we do get that one out and people suspect that we are going to do that, they may not be able to give you the right information. Here what we need is that the people that are actually answering your questions are able to bring out the right information, and with the right information, that's how you are going to get the good use of the data that is going to be collected. So if I tell you I've got 10 wives, for example, not me, please keep it as a secret and keep it to yourself, don't bring it out. And I believe that everybody that is coming will make at least an oath that you will collect that information, and that information will be kept to yourself so that people are not afraid of giving credit.
The biggest worry we have is that the gadgets that the government has provided or that they procured, some of them are not functioning properly. The network is down, but it has been the routine or the order of the day when it comes to purchasing items of the government in Uganda. So this time around, we are just praying that maybe for the area of Emukono that we get good machines. Otherwise, the pilot case has shown that many iPads are not properly functional. So we pray that maybe the government gets some substitution for those machines that are not working properly, given the pilot case that has exhibited poor network systems on these items.